George Zimmerman was granted bail today, and it was set at $150,000. Also, ABC News released a photo of Zimmerman's head, indicating that he did, in fact, have injuries in the back of his head. He was bleeding. There are some people who are questioning the authenticity of the picture. I don't really know how I feel about it yet. I want to see more evidence. I'm a little irritated that it took this long for this picture to be released.
I believe it. I mean, I don't know if they show that it's fake for some reason. I would believe that too. I mean, you have to go to court, see, where did the picture come from? Has it been photoshopped? There are experts in this, right?
ABC, but, as Anna said, ABC. It's hard. I mean, you would think ABC would have been incredibly careful with however they acquired.
And also, I went back and looked at the video of them basically bringing him to the police station, and he's wearing the exact same sweater. So I don't question the authenticity of it. To be honest, I think that it's real. But who knows? This case has been crazy. Like, new evidence keeps coming out.
Right, like people are talking about how the background seems photoshopped. I don't know. But the thing is, people look at them, they go like, oh my God, blood! Oh, that's it, he's innocent. That drives me crazy. But we always knew he had what appeared to be 2 small cuts on the back of his head. And you know what happens if you cut your head a little bit? You'll bleed a ton.
Yeah, if you don't have any hair to catch it. I don't know. When he comes into the police station, it's pretty clear he doesn't have that. But obviously, at some point,
they cleaned him up.
Yeah, they cleaned up.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm Turkish, but that doesn't look that bad to me. Okay, it's not like the whole head is cut. There's 2 small cuts you can see, right?
Yep.
And then he's bleeding from that. I know because I've told the story before. When I was younger, a kid threw a rock at my head, and I bled. I bled profusely. And then in the end, it wasn't that bad. I don't think I even got any stitches. So now it does show one thing. It shows that there was an altercation, a fight, right? But we always knew that, didn't we? I don't think anybody thought that he came up to Trayvon, was like, hey, boom, and just shot him. No, I thought we always thought there was some sort of scuffle at some point. And so I don't think that those cuts necessarily even mean that he got the upper hand. In fact, there's a witness that says that it basically indicated that Zimmerman chased down Trayvon Martin. Now, there was an investigator who in this hearing, Ben, said what? That it was unclear as to who started the fight.
Interesting things happened at the bail hearing. There was like a mini little trial. George Zimmerman took the stand. You don't take the stand at a bail hearing. I never heard of it. I'm sure it's happened, but I'd never heard of it. And he apologized to Trayvon's family. Deo Galbraith, who's one of the investigators, was called by Mark O'Meara, who is George Zimmerman's lawyer. And he called to the stand Galbraith, and he said that he got Galbraith to acknowledge that he had no evidence for who started the fight after Zimmerman got out of his car, and then at one point we know ran toward Trayvon Martin. Do you know who started the fight? O'Meara asked him. Do I know? No, said Galbraith, who added that he had not come to the hearing prepared to testify. Do you have any evidence that supports who may have started the fight? No. So that's good stuff for George Zimmerman to have on the record as we go forward to the trial. I saw one lawyer on CNN say, how could you not be prepared to testify? This seemed unusual that they had this little mini trial, but still.
It must have been Zimmerman's lawyers who unexpectedly put him on the stand and hence started this in motion. We don't know
Whatever
for sure.
it was Zimmerman's lawyers were good today.
Yeah.
They got him out, which doesn't seem outrageous. You're charged with second-degree murder, not first-degree murder. It's not a clear-cut case. No matter what, outrage or not, it's not clear-cut what happened. Florida has that nonsense law. It's on the books. It's a terrible law, but it's on the books. So, $150,000 I heard was about right for this.
In the sense that is where most people charged with a similar case get about that kind of bond.
Yeah, somewhere from 100 to 250, it's in that range.
Right.